Hello and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today, as promised you guys, we've got a special unboxing to do today. Today we've got Playmobil set number 5575, the City Life swimming pool. Let's check it out. Playmo pals, and thanks for checking out our video today. If you're here for the first time, this is a clicky centric channel, meaning that our videos tend to focus more on the clickies than the vehicles and playsets. However, today we're focusing on a playset. A few weeks ago, I made an animated video of a clicky that somewhat resembles me, asking viewers for their vote on an unboxing video of one of 3 playsets. Those 3 playsets being set number 5575, the swimming pool, that we're checking out today, which I'm really excited about. Then there's the empty white townhouse. And finally, the all-girls rock band, which is new for 2023. I left the post up on YouTube and Instagram for a few weeks, and when the results were tallied up, the swimming pool actually won, with the girls rock band coming in at a very close second. I personally voted for the townhouse, but its day in the spotlight will come soon enough. Thanks to everyone who voted. I appreciate your time and participation. After all, these videos are made just for you. So let's get to it. So checking out the front image, as we have been for 2 minutes now, we have our swimming pool taking up about 90% of the frame here. Looks like we have everything we need though for some fun in the sun. The right side has no perforation for easy access, so instead we have a flap with a small version of the front image. We have the same small image printed on the opposite side, but this flap shows the country of origin and distribution. The bottom of the box has our choking hazard warnings in various languages, another image of the pool taken from a different angle with our clickies taking a swim, as well as a small graphic showing you how to fill the pool up with water. But if you didn't know how to use a faucet to begin with, you're just complete, never mind. The top of the box shows our pool connected to the vacation home and guest house sets that are also available but not required. The back of the box shows the included items photographed separately. Check out the tan on this lady. She must be really into raisins, soaking up all that sun, while her son could pass off for a child yeti. But enough of those box details, guys. Let's get this thing cracked open and see what's inside. And here's our first bag of stuff. Just the other week, we unboxed a set of, resorts or what is it, water park swimmers? And they had a little floaty. This is a floaty for the pool set, and it's not made of plastic. What? It's like a rubber material. It's very pliable, sorta. Here's our first clicky, and wow, look at that tan. That's like the unhealthy kind. I didn't realize how orange she was gonna look until now. And here's the little boy clicky to put in your pool. It's spray suntan lotion with an SPF of 20. Mom also comes with a pair of not yellow but actually goldish looking sandals here. I'm gonna leave these aside just because it's, 2 more parts I have to worry about and keeping track of, and I don't care to right now. Make sure you don't lose the spoon. There is a spoon that's part of the set here. Not sure why the spoon isn't paired up with other items, like the food items and table items, but yeah, that goes right there. We also have the lounge chair, and it comes with a backing. Easily clicks on. And here's our other bag of items, but we're not going to go through this. You guys are going to see this in the final product. I know what you guys are waiting for. I am too, actually. And here it is, folks. This is the swimming pool in all its glory right now. Pretty nice outside of the box. Honestly, guys, because this is also a review as much as it is an unboxing, you get a lot of box, but you get a little bit of toy. I honestly would have probably made a little bit longer, wider, and maybe made these steps because that looks better and it makes more sense And then also you could have left something there for more plants instead of those little weeds that are over there on the side that we'll see in a little bit. I don't think they're supposed to be weeds, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, this is still pretty solid. I do like the brick, and let's get this thing going.
I want to welcome y'all to Hip Hop EJ 2000, 98.2 on your dial. You know what I'm saying?
Right, and we've got the water filled up here. Looks good. I'm pretty stoked about this one, as I always am. Okay guys, we are pretty much done right now, but here is everything, including our little stage here, our little sound stage. But we got the umbrella table all fixed up, the ice cream and the spoon, and the little suntan lotion bottle. And just to clarify things up, the floating device, the little toy there, it does float, and it looks like our little boy is finally happy to be able to get into the pool. And in case you didn't notice, there is a bit of an overhang here with the wood that acts as a diving board.
Be careful, honey.
Okay, don't worry, Mom. I can do it. Don't worry. Here I go.
Wow, big jump.
Thanks, Mom. That was so cool.
Oh, okay, so the kid doesn't float apparently. And there you have it, guys. The end of our video on the swimming pool is here. We've had so much fun putting this together. This is probably one of my favorite sets now. I've always liked it, and I've had it in my storage bin for quite some time. So to have it finally out for you guys is quite a thrill for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and give us a like for more future Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af, where it's all Playmobil all the time. We do have more on the way, guys, so be sure to click that notification bell and stay tuned. We will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.